Hello, physics. And this is the problem of fluid dynamics. Specific gravity of ice is 0.917 and seawater is 1.025. So the question is, what fraction of an iceberg is above the surface of seawater, of the water? So this is the iceberg. Some fraction is out above and some is below. So this is a sea level. And this is the center of mass, and this is the force. This is mg, and this is the buoyant force, F, buoyant force. So the we can say that the force buoyancy is equal to the weight of the ice, which is equal to m ice into g. And this is equal to the mass displaced by the water, mass of the seawater, multiplied by g, multiplied by is equal to mass of the ice into g. So g cancel, that mean mass of the seawater is equal to mass of the ice. So this can also be the mass we can express in terms of density of seawater into volume of the seawater is equal to the density of ice into volume of the ice. If you divide by density of H2O water, density of H2O normal water, so this is density of seawater over density of H2O is the specific gravity of water, of seawater. So specific gravity of seawater into volume of seawater is equal to specific gravity of ice into volume of ice. So this is this one is submerged one. So specific gravity of seawater into the volume of submerged water is equal to the specific gravity of ice into volume of the ice. So volume of the submerged is equal to S ice, Sg ice over Sg seawater into V ice. If you substitute the values, ice 0.917, 1.025, V ice, and this is equal to 0.895 V ice, V submerge. So V ice minus V submerge is equal to V above of the iceberg. So V ice, V ice minus V submerged is 0.895 V ice, which is equal to V ice into the difference. So the difference is 0.105. So V, the volume above, is equal to 0.105 of the V ice. So that means 10.5% the surface above the water. So more than 90% is below, very small portion is on the top, and much larger 10.5% is above, and 89.5% is below. So that's why it is so dangerous in the uh, some seasons during the uh, when this there is a crack of the iceberg from the poles. They come to the Atlantic, and the Antarctic route from EU, UK to US, North America is very dangerous because the very small portion of iceberg is above the sea level. Most of the is below because the density difference. So this is the answer of the question.